Welcome to the 5th episode of Tour the World. In the last 2 episodes, we travelled through Geneva and Lausanne, 2 relatively bigger cities of Switzerland. Today, our journey takes us along the 3 border cities of Italy and Switzerland. 2 of these cities are in Switzerland, while the third is in Italy. The 2 Swiss cities are Riva San Vitale and Stabio, while the third is the Italian city of Clivio. These cities are all within a 20 kilometers radius. Also, there's a very beautiful Lake Lugano next to Riva San Vitale. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's dive in. We started our journey at Piazza del Ponte in the Swiss town of Riva San Vitale. This lovely place sits next to Lake Lugano and has cozy cafes and shops all around. The old stone bridge here, after which the square is named, has been a part of the town for many years, connecting people and places. It's a perfect spot to relax, enjoy the view, and soak in the history and charm of this beautiful area. Lake Lugano is a stunning lake situated on the border between Switzerland and Italy. Named after the city of Lugano, it lies between Lake Como and Lago Maggiore. Along its shores are various mountains and tourist destinations, including Monte Bray to the east, Monte San Salvatore west of Lugano, and Monte Generoso on the southeastern shore. The lake covers an area of 48.7 square km, with 63% in Switzerland and 37% in Italy. It has an average width of roughly 1 kilometer and a maximum width of about 3 kilometers at the point. Its maximum depth is 288 m. The lake is navigable and used by a considerable number of private vessels. Passenger boat agencies provide services on the lake, principally for tourist purposes. These passenger boats also connect Lugano with other lakeside communities, some of which have no road access. Next, we travel to Stabio, approximately 8 kilometers from the town of Riva San Vitale. Stabio is known for its farms, where locals grow fresh fruits, vegetables, and grapes. The fields are green and full of life, with farmers working hard to produce delicious fresh food. The town itself is charming, with traditional Swiss houses boasting wooden shutters and colourful flower boxes. Stabio is surrounded by stunning landscapes, offering breathtaking views of rolling hills and nearby mountains. Walking and biking paths abound, providing opportunities to enjoy the fresh air and natural beauty. Stabio's farming, charming architecture, and gorgeous landscapes make it a wonderful place to visit. Just a short drive from Stabio across the border in Italy is the charming town of Clivio. Clivio offers a taste of Italian culture with its lovely streets, historic buildings, and delicious cuisine. Nestled in picturesque countryside, it's a perfect day trip from Stabio. Our lovely drone's battery was running low, so we decided to end the journey here. It was an amazing trip through the countryside of Switzerland. We think the countryside, especially the region along the Italian border, is much more beautiful than its bigger cities. Please give us your feedback on how we can improve our videos and which European country we should cover next. Stay tuned for the next one, and until then, goodbye.